Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like the content we're producing, head on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button. You can follow Akash and I individually, myself at Just Analysis 1 and Akash at Mangyeko 0. Taking a look here at Shiba Inu, not much has changed from the outlook here. Actually, I guess a lot has in that the entry triggered and it's moved up quite a bit from here. We were looking at that buy stop entry at 2200 that triggered, stop down at 1600, and a profit target up at 5400. That trade is still open, active, and running. We haven't had a pullback on this yet, but if it gets up to roughly 4,000 there, 0.00004, that may be a temporary stopping point for price action, but otherwise, on the point and figure chart, yeah, this thing's still running, and it's doesn't show any signs of there's no pullback yet. So, looking at it from an Ichimoku perspective, I think this is a sign of strength. I mean, if you're looking for a sign of strength for Shiba Inu, look at what it's done over the last few days, and then especially yesterday. It's respected the bottom of the cloud as its structural support zone, and it closed yesterday just, I don't know if that's below or above, but pretty much right on top of that level. And, you know, when the new candle opened for today, it dipped down lower, but it's really holding on to it very, very, very strongly. There's a lot of support coming in here. So, and you finally have the Chiku span closing above the bodies of the candlesticks and an open space. There's a lot of positive development here on Shiba's chart that move towards that 4,000 level that I was talking about. That is right near the top of the cloud. That's where I would expect us to see that first, large amount of profit taking and a pullback before it resumes its uptrend. So that's what I see, Akash. I mean, if we do see some downside pressure here, it's going to be around the 2,800 level. That's about it. Really don't see anything drastic coming here at all. But I'll pass it off to you, Akash. I'm not sure what you see.
Thank you, John. My targets are much more conservative, and I believe a retest of this 391 resistance level and probably even a sweep above that is likely to collect the liquidity resting above that. Right, so basically I'm expecting a 26-ish percentage upswing for Shiba Inu, right? But it's not as simple as that. I'm not saying the price is going to go here, collect the liquidity. I also have to direct your attention to this particular upswing that we saw here, right? The price did create a bit of a liquidity fair value gap here. Well, yeah, so the price created a fair value gap here, which extends from 233 to 270. So there is a chance price could come down here, bounce off of, fill this gap, bounce around this support level here at 233, and then go higher, right? But there is also liquidity resting above here, which is 391. And the reason why I believe it's not going to come down here and then go higher is mainly because of this weekly support level that we have here. So I believe an ideal scenario would play out something like this, and then we get a sweep above this level here, right? And I also have to mention that there were a couple of equal bottoms formed around here. So again, there's going to be liquidity present here. So that is also another level here that we have to pay attention to, which is roughly 201. So the 201 level is an important level. But for now, I believe we are going to see SHIB rally at least 26% here. This the scenario where price could go down lower is if SHIB produces a 4 candlestick close below this weekly support level here, in which case it would be much easier for the price to fill this gap, bounce off of the support level here at 233, and then go higher. So yeah, that's my take on Shiba Inu.
Thank you, Akash, and thank you everybody else for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.